Hello everyone, this is Lady TZCD coming back at you with a video. Now this would be part 3 and the finishing results and reveal of my DIY project for my kitchen countertops. I used the product Gianni Countertop Painting Kit. Now I hope you guys have watched the first video where we started the prep portion of this project, my husband and I. And I just uploaded the second version of it. And as I stated in that video, I would do a part 3 to show you guys how I style my kitchen countertops. Now in this video, I'm just doing it for styling purposes so I can show you the finishing results of how the countertops look. It doesn't show any of my fall decor yet because I haven't really placed everything out. And you will see that in my next video once I upload it for my home fall decor tour. So you will see, the complete of what little bit I'm going to do of decorating for the fall. But let's get into it right now, the video and the results of how the countertops look. Okay, I'm going to step in a little bit closer. As you can see, the kitchen is already showing a difference of brightness. And that's what I was going for. Let me see. Yeah, that's what I was going for. Now, this particular product comes in varieties of different colors. The last color I had on the countertop was a more espresso type of color, and it was a beautiful color. It really, if you look at my previous home tours, you guys that haven't checked that out, you know the difference. You can see the difference of the countertop and the colors of the countertop. The product comes in several different colors. This is a more sandy color. And so we went with that. My objection was to lighten up the kitchen. I just want a brighter. I have all these earth tones. And this is a way you divas and divos out there can do this. If you have a more of a traditional jewel color kitchen, you can, excuse my meat in the sink. But you can do this by brightening up your kitchen with this product. Now, my house is a little bit older, and I got this house like around in the 90s, and I did not get the granite at the time. And most houses come with granite, but my house did not come with granite. So I'm always trying to update my home with the new products out there and the new looks and anything that will make it look, gorgeous and fabulous, and just keeping it up. That's my main objection, to make sure, and my main goal is to make sure that the house stays updated, and just keeping it up is a job. So again, this particular product, I showed the box in the previous video, and the cost of the kit was only $80. I think it's a real budget-friendly investment to get this type of result from it. Those of us that can't afford to go out and get granite, I guess granite may be reasonable. I don't know the prices of granite right now, but this is going to do for us. And my husband and I are proud of what we did. It is a tedious, like I said, it's tedious. However, you just have to have a little bit of elbow, grease and patience. Just put your time in it and love in it. And anytime you put love in it, something that you really want, it will definitely come out looking spectacular. So again, I promise you guys a reveal of how the countertop looks. It looks great against my backsplash. It did not take away from the backsplash, and it wasn't too light for the backsplash. And I did not really replace a whole bunch of I had so much on my countertop, and I wanted to do less this time. Sometimes less is more, but I will be adding some fall decor stuff as well. But right now, this is what I have going on. I have a fall candle burning right here. It's a warm cinnamon pumpkin candle scent. So that's going on. I mean, the house, some of the home, some parts of the house or home is decorated already. But for the purpose of this DIY, I'm so proud of. I hope you guys can take something from it. This was the sole purpose of doing it, doing this particular project, to show you guys you have options out there. You do not have to always go, and you want something different, you want something new, but you just sometimes, you know, it's not in the budget. But there are some budget-friendly products out there that can give you the same look as the higher end projects and products, and you will get the same results. I'm gonna do a panoramic view so y'all can see how it definitely still goes with the cabinet. We did the cabinets ourselves as well. When we moved into the home, we had the typical builder style cabinets, and we took those cabinets down. We had to, you know, live with it for a while, but we did restain, took all the cabinets doors down, restained it, painted, restained, worked hard. Now that is a job, because I have so many cabinets on top and at the bottom, and so that was a job. But again, a labor of love. My husband, all of us had to work out on that, and my husband went and got the glasses, put in the mirror glass stain to put in the cabinet. So, but anyway, I'm just, you know, letting you guys know you can get the same effect looks that you see in these magazines and these high-end stores, high-end homes that some people have, you know, and you can still get the same look. So I do appreciate you guys supporting me. Watching all 3 of the videos will give you a better idea of, you know, if you want to try this option or not. It's not for everyone, but it's certainly out there for you to check out. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna jump off. This is Lady T ZCD coming at you with another video. I'm gonna always try to show you guys some products out there that's useful for you, maybe for your home, your decor, your style of wear, you know, I'm gonna try to motivate. That's what I do on my channel here. All right, I'm jumping off before I get to rambling. Thanks for watching, Lady T ZCD. Peace. God bless.